In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my payout schedule with Stripe. 2026 Cashout Schedule. To begin, let's open Stripe and head into the payout settings. You should already be signed into your Stripe dashboard. In your browser, go to dashboard.stripe.com/settings/payouts to open the Stripe payout settings page directly. If you prefer to navigate manually inside Stripe, you can follow the path Settings, then Business, then Bank Accounts and Currencies. Both routes will land you in the same place. Once you arrive, look at the main content area in the center of the screen. Scroll down past the Settlement Currencies and Bank Accounts section, since that part is not what we need today. Keep scrolling, and if a Stripe Balances section appears on the page, scroll past that one as well. Continue down until you find the Payout Schedule section. This is the area that controls how often Stripe sends your available funds to your bank. Inside the Payout Schedule section, click the Edit or Manage Payout Schedule button. This will open the controls you need to adjust your schedule. In the options that appear, select Automatic Payouts. This tells Stripe to send out your funds on a regular schedule instead of waiting for a manual request. Now, open the Frequency dropdown. This dropdown lets you decide how often payouts go out. From the list that appears, choose Weekly. This means Stripe will pay you out once every week. Next, open the Payout Day dropdown. This is where you pick which day of the week your payout will arrive. From the available days, choose Monday. With this selection, your weekly payouts will be scheduled to leave Stripe on Mondays. Once both selections are in place, click Save to apply the changes you have just made. After saving, take a moment to confirm that the page now displays your payout schedule as weekly on Monday. This visual confirmation tells you the update was applied successfully. Stripe will now show the updated payout schedule in the Payout Schedule section. From this point forward, future available payouts will be sent automatically on the weekly schedule you selected, going out every Monday as configured. Congratulations! You have successfully changed your payout schedule with Stripe, and your future deposits will now follow the new weekly cadence you set up. That brings us to the end of this tutorial, and thank you for following along all the way through.